Hey guys, it is November the 22nd, 2022, and today I'm going to take this banana tree that I bought a couple of days ago, and we're going to propagate the babies, the pups, from the bottom here. There's about 7 little sprouts coming out, and we're going to pot those up separately to turn this one banana plant into 8. Alright, here is the mother plant. What we're going to do is we're going to unpot this, take all the little pups away, separate them at the root, replant the mother and all the babies. All the roots. It's already starting to get a little root bound, so it needed to go to a larger pot anyway. Cutting the root to separate the pup from it. Still has enough of the root for this one. So here we have the mother plant. I have removed all the pups from the root system. Mother plant still has plenty of roots. She'll do fine and put out more pups. She'll go in her own pot. And then the pups also have plenty of roots. Each one of these will be its own plant now. Now then, to get the pups replanted back into a new pot, I've already got these pots filled with soil, so I'm going to take some of this out to make room to put all the roots that are coming along with the pups into the new pots. And that is how you can propagate banana trees from the pups from the root system. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. And that is how you propagate banana trees from the pups. Now we have the single adult parent tree here. And here are the pups that I've replanted. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And stay tuned for more plants and greenhouse.